Look at this incredible transformation. From a rusted wreck to a flawless, pure white Dodge Neon SRT-4. This front end is completely destroyed. The rust and fading paint show years of total neglect. The hood is covered in oxidation. It's gonna take some serious work to get back to metal. Rust has spread everywhere, even deep inside the wheel wells. This is a massive restoration project. Even the doors are jammed. This original state is much worse than I initially anticipated. The spoiler is barely holding on. Every inch of this original surface needs a complete overhaul. The deal is done. I finally own this SRT4, though it currently looks like a total disaster. Look at this mess. This SRT4 is absolutely ruined, but I see the potential underneath the rust. It is hard to believe this was once a street king. The paint is completely gone and pitted. Even the door hinges are seized. This project is going to be a massive undertaking for us. Time to get this wreck home. Hooking up the winch to the rusty frame for the long haul. The underside is just as bad as the top. Rust everywhere, but nothing we can't handle. We have arrived at the garage. Let the transformation of this rusty Dodge finally begin. Look at this mess. We just got this SRT4 in and it needs a total overhaul. It is finally inside the shop. Time to see. The front end took a massive hit. This original paint is completely ruined and needs stripping. Checking the engine now. Dirt and rust everywhere, but we can save this legendary power plant. These wheel wells are pitted with rust. We have a long road ahead for this restoration. Even the trunk has major decay. This project is going to be a massive transformation journey. The frame looks solid despite the surface rust. This car deserves a second chance at life. Strip down to the primer. We are smoothing everything out before that pure white hits. We are stripping it down. This Neon SRT4 is getting a total overhaul starting right now. Every piece of trim comes off. We need a perfectly clean slate for the new look. Taking apart the doors is tedious, but it is the only way to do it right. The front end is completely exposed now. It is amazing to see the engineering underneath this beast. Interior is coming out next. We are making sure every inch of this car is perfect. Cleaning away years of road grime. This restoration goes way deeper than just a fresh coat. New parts are arriving. While the body is prepped, we are refreshing the mechanical heart. Time to scrub away years of grime from these wheel wells before the new parts go in. Fitting this upgraded radiator is essential for keeping our SRT4 cool under pressure. Look at that fit. Getting the interior floor pan spotless is a must. No dust allowed before we seal everything up. Precision is key here. I'm tapping out these small imperfections to ensure a perfectly flat surface. Thin coats of filler help us bridge the gaps. It is all about the prep work today.
Block sanding the roof ensures our pure white paint will look like a mirror when finished.
Checking these panel gaps now saves a massive headache later. The alignment has to be spot on. Pulling this last dent from the rocker panel, we are almost ready for the final primer stage. Smoothing out these panels is hard work, but this SRT4 deserves a perfect foundation for its return. Stripping it down to bare metal ensures our pure white finish will look absolutely flawless and mirror smooth. Precision masking is key. We cannot have any white overspray on these original seals and factory glass. With the doors off, we can reach every single hidden corner of this modern SRT4 performance chassis. One last wipe down of this gray primer and we are finally ready for the paint booth. Look at that pure white shine. The paint is fresh, glossy, and looks better than factory original. The depth of this white is incredible. It makes the lines of the neon look so aggressive. Time for reassembly. Adding these performance parts to the fresh paint is the best feeling in the world. Starting the reassembly. These new headlights look sharp against the fresh, pure white paint job. Every component we add makes this SRT4 look more aggressive. That white finish is absolutely blinding. Securing the signature rear wing. The silhouette of this car in pure white is simply perfection.
It is all about the details now. The chrome accents really pop against the new paint.
The final badge goes on. This 2022 SRT4 is finally looking like a complete masterpiece again.
The wait is over. Our pure white Dodge Neon SRT-4 is fully restored and looks factory fresh.
From top to bottom, this restoration is flawless. The pure white glow is truly something special. We did it. This custom SRT4 is ready to hit the streets. What a stunning transformation. The final badge is on. This pure white paint is absolutely blinding under the shop lights. Look at that reflection. We have brought this neon back to better than factory condition. Adding the rear wing completes the look. She is finally ready to leave the garage. It is time for the moment of truth. Let us see what this pure white beast can do. The throttle response is incredible. Every hour spent in the garage was worth this amazing moment. Cruising in style. People cannot stop staring at this flawless, pure white finish on the road. Gauges are perfect and temps are stable. This restoration is a total success for the SRT4. From a wreck to a masterpiece, my pure white neon SRT4 is finally complete and perfect.